Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to explore the exoskeleton in birds. The birds have well-developed exoskeletal system which serves many functions such as protection of body from temperature fluctuations of environment, radiations and mechanical injuries of various sorts. Further, it makes the body of bird well adapted for aerial mode of life. The exoskeleton of birds is derived from basically from epidermis and occurs in the form of horny claws, beaks, spurs, webs, scales and ultimately feathers. Birds may look soft and feathery, but under that fluff they carry an ancient reptilian legacy in the form of scales, claws, beaks, spurs and webs, each perfectly designed for their survival. Exoskeleton of birds, the nature's armor and tools. The exoskeleton in birds is a built-in toolkit made by the epidermis. It includes horny claws, sharp beaks, protective spurs, useful webs, shiny scales, and of course beautiful feathers. Let's break it down. Scales. Scales can be treated as the hidden link to reptiles. Look closely at a bird's feet. You will see shiny hard scales covering the shanks and toes, and sometimes tiny ones near the base of the beak. These top scales come from the stratum germinativum, the skin's growing layer, and act like a natural shield. Birds shed and replace their scales through molting, just like reptiles, a clue that birds are the modern relatives of ancient reptiles. Now, second one is the beaks. The multi-tool. A bird's beak is more than just for eating. Its horny cover over the jaws called the rhamphotheca, the covering of the beak. Birds use their beaks to grab food, print feathers to stay clean and waterproof, and sometimes for defense. From the hooked beak of an eagle to the flat bill of a duck, the beak is perfectly shaped for each bird's lifestyle. These are the different types of birds: beak, parrot, hornbill, eagle, heron, duck, woodpecker, hummingbird and sparrow. Now we'll study about the claws. It can be treated as the grippers. Look at the bird's toes. At the tips there are claws, sharp and pointed like tiny daggers. These are pure exoskeleton magic. It's hard, horny structures that help birds grip branches, catch prey, walk or scratch the ground. Their design is very similar to reptilian claws, another proof of their ancient lineage. Webs, the swimming fins. Ever seen a duck's feet? Those stretchy webs between their toes acts like paddles. Webbed feet help the birds swim smoothly in water. Ducks, swan, geese, pelicans and cormorants are champions at this. Fun fact, in cormorants the webbing stretches over all four toes, sometimes leaving the tiny hallux or back toe free. Spurs can be treated as the hidden weapon. In birds like male fowls such as roosters, there is a sharp spur on the leg, a bony outgrowth covered with a hardy seed. This works like a built-in dagger for defense and fighting rivals. Some birds like plovers even have spurs on their wings, a surprise punch for anyone who messes with them. This is the image showing different types of claws in birds. This is the waves, the spinning fins in the leg of the duck or goose or swan, etc. And this is the spur, the hidden weapon of the male fowl or roosters. Now let's study the feathers. Structure of a typical contour feather. This is the image. It has basic two parts, scapus or axis. The calamus one is the hollow base, fits in the skin follicle. This is the calamus one, and the rachis is the solid shaft above the calamus. This is the rachis. And vein and vexillum. This is a flat waved part with bulbs and barbules. Calamus. Calamus is a hollow transparent tube inserted into the skin pit. This is the calamus, and after calamus this structure is the vein or vexillum or rachis. Calamus, it has two openings, inferior umbilicus and located at the base, and superior umbilicus located near the rachis. It can have after shaft or soft tuft in some birds. Rachis, it is solid and filled with pith. It has a groove underneath called umbilical groove. Vein, it is made up of hundreds of barbs. Each barb has small barbules which have also hooklets or hemuli that interlock like velcro. Smooth air surface for flight. Some birds like ostrich, kiwi lack interlocking, so they have loose barbs. Now we'll study different types of feathers. The white feathers are also called as quill feather. The image is showing that. Remiges are the feathers present on wings. Primaries means which are present on the hand. Secondaries are on the forearm, and busted wing on the pollex. Rectrices on tail, it acts like brake and rudder. Covers, it covered base of white and tail feathers which provide a smooth surface. Contour feather, which covers the body, it provides warmth and streamlined shape of the body. Phyloplumes, it's a hair-like scattered among contours. It can sense feather position. Down feathers, it is soft, fluffy. It provides insulation under main feathers. Powder down feathers, they disintegrate into the fine powder and provide the clean plumage. Rictal bristles, this is a stiff hair near beak and eyes. They protect and help catch insects. Pterylosis. It is also called as the feather arrangement. Feathers grow in patches or pteryli separated by the bare areas or ateria. This is the bare areas or ateria, and this is the pteryli or the patches where feathers can grow. It keeps plumage light and flexible. And this is another image showing the body contour feather. Phyloplume mixed among contour feathers. Down feathers. Rectrices are the tail feathers. Remiges are the wing feathers. This is the enlarged section, primaries, secondaries and tertiaries attached to the wing bones. This is the calamus, this is the vein, and this is the rachis or vexillum. We have to know what the uses and functions of the feathers. It provides protection, lightweight armor against injury. Heat, it keeps bird warm in cold weather. Flight, it is light, strong and aerodynamic design. Camouflage, it blend with surroundings, help to avoid predators. Display, bright colors and patterns attract mates. Nest, some birds use their feathers to line nest. Other uses, powder keeps feathers clean. Special feathers aid clinging like woodpeckers, and humans use feathers for pillows and decor. So now you know that a bird's exoskeleton is much more than just feathers. It's a brilliant combination of scales, claws, beaks, spurs, and those remarkable feathers that help them survive, stay warm, and soar throughout the skies. From protection to flight to stunning color, nature has truly crafted a perfect suit of armor for birds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing facts about the animal kingdom, about the living organisms, about biology. This is Biology at Projit. See you in the next video and keep exploring nature's wonders. Thank you.